to solve the question number 5 of exercise 6.3. The question is on your blackboard. PQ parallel to SR, angle SQR is given, this is 28 degree, and angle QRT is equal to 65 degree. We have to find out X and Y. Only we have to find out the value of X and Y. According to the question, चूंकि PQ parallel to SR, so angle PQR is equal to angle QRT. We know that these two sides are parallel, so these angles are alternate interior angle. So these two angles are equal due to alternate interior angle. Now, in this angle PQR, there are two angles, X and 28. So, X plus 28 is equal to QRT, this is 65 degree. This implies X is equal to 65 minus 28 is equal to 37 degree. This is the value of angle X. Now PQ angle QPS is equal to 90 degree and angle QPS is equal to 90 degree and PQS is equal to 37 degree. इसलिए in triangle PQS angle P plus angle Q plus angle S is equal to 180 degree due to angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle P, it is 90 degree due to perpendicular, plus angle Q is X, that is 37 degree, and angle S, that is Y, which we have to find out, and it is equal to 180 degree. This implies Y is equal to 180 minus 180, 1 minute. This implies Y is equal to 180 minus 127. It is equal to 53 degree. So X is equal to 37 degree and Y is equal to 53 degree, and these are the values of X and Y. According to this question, which is mentioned on your blackboard, the value of X and Y is 37 and 53 degree. That's all. Now, this is question number 6. This is the last question of this exercise. In this figure, side QR of triangle PQR is produced to S if the bisector of PQR, that is QT, and PRS, that is RT, meet at T, then we have to prove angle QTR, this angle is 1/2 angle QPR. This is clear. इस त्रिभुज PQR में QR आधार को हम S तक बढ़ाए हैं और एंगल Q का बाइसेक्टर और इस PRS का बाइसेक्टर दोनों एक बिंदु T पर मिल रहे हों, तो हमें सिद्ध कर देना है कि एंगल QTR, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू 1/2 एंगल QPR, इस एंगल का आधा है। यही सिद्ध करना है। सबसे पहले हम एक ट्रायंगल उठाते हैं, ट्रायंगल PQR। दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल। In this triangle, angle PRS is exterior angle. Clear, it is exterior. PRS is exterior angle. So, this exterior angle PRS is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. It means angle PRS, exterior angle, is equal to angle P plus angle Q. Clear? Now divide by 2 both sides. दोनों तरफ बराबर के दाएं बाएं और दाएं दोनों तरफ लेफ्ट और राइट साइड में हम 1/2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, यानी 1/2 एंगल PRS इज इक्वल टू 1/2 एंगल P प्लस 1/2 एंगल Q। इट मीन्स 1/2 PRS का आधा, क्योंकि RT बाइसेक्टर है इसलिए यह एंगल बराबर यह एंगल, यानी TRS इज इक्वल टू 1/2 PRS। यह एंगल TRS यह पूरे एंगल का आधा है, यानी 1/2 एंगल PRS को हम TRS लिख सकते हैं। अब TRS इज इक्वल टू 1/2 एंगल P एंड 1/2 एंगल Q। दिस एंगल Q, द हाफ ऑफ दिस एंगल इज एंगल TQR. This is the half of the total Q. It means that is Q in triangle PQR. This QT is bisector of angle Q. So half of Q is this angle TQR. हम इसको पहला इक्वेशन मान लेते हैं। अगेन हम एक दूसरा जो ट्रायंगल इसमें है QRT, this is also a triangle QRT, and इस QRT में RS एक्सटीरियर लाइन हुआ, यानी QR को हम आगे तक बढ़ाए हैं S तक, तो एंगल TRS, it is the exterior angle of the triangle QTR. So exterior angle TRS is equal to sum of two interior angle, it means TQR plus angle T. We know that in any triangle the exterior angle is the sum of two interior opposite angle, so angle TRS is equal to angle TQR plus angle T. Now this is the second equation. From 1 and 2 we see that left hand side is just equal TRS, angle TRS, the value of TRS is this in first equation, and exterior angle TRS is this in second equation. इसलिए from 1 and 2 angle 1/2 angle P plus angle TRQ is equal to angle TQR plus angle T. Now 1/2 TQR and TQR both are same, so they are cancelled. 1/2 angle P बराबर angle T, it means angle T is equal to angle QTR, and 1/2 angle P is equal to 1/2 angle QPR. This is the angle P, and that is written as QPR. So angle QTR is equal to 1/2 angle QPR, and it is the proof of this equation. Just I have proved.